Hello everyone, welcome to Ye Bhi Unbox. So today we are going to unbox some products from Almo brand. So now I'm going to unbox Dario Micro Model Slim Fit Vests. I have ordered two vests in color black. So let us see how they are and whether they are as soft as they claim to be or something else. So let's not talk much and open it right away. So here comes this pouch. This is also a utility kind of pouch, like it can be used for traveling. So when we travel we need to carry our soaps and face washes and all. So this pouch can be used for that. It's a good quality pouch undoubtedly, but finally of plastic. Well, so these are two t-shirts. Well, I have ordered in two different sizes. One is S small and another one is M medium. This is my advice, like if somebody wants to go for snug fit, if you prefer snug fit, then you have to go for the small one, means one size smaller than your own size. And if you just want to be comfortable and easy, you don't have to go for the snug fit, then you can go for your own size, like mine is medium. So one by one we'll see them. The stuff is same, but still I can just right now see some difference in their color, also little bit of difference, and in difference in some other things also. So this is the small one, small vest, and this is completely plain. There is no logo, neither in the front nor at the back. So let me just show you closely. As the color is black, you may not be able to see it very properly, but I am trying to give you the closer look. So micro model stuff is definitely far better than cotton, and once you wear it you would not like to wear cotton again. I have already been using this micro model stuff of different brands. You can see the link in the description of my other videos on Dimanche and Free Culture and Almo also. And now let me show you the medium one. Medium one is little better. I got this tagging also with the medium one, but there was no tagging with the small one. Secondly, there is a little difference in the color also. If you can see in the camera, I would try to show you. This is small one, this is medium one. So there is a little difference. Well, individually if you see, then you will be satisfied with both of them. But if you compare both of them, maybe this is the difference of some lot kind of. And here is a logo of Almo, and this is, you know, normal kind of logo. Like in my another video in which I shared Rico Organic Cotton Melange Vest, you'll see the link in the description. So that logo was far better than this logo, but there is a logo here in the front if we talk about the medium one, and this is completely plain from the back. So there is no logo, no branding, nothing. So guys, finally I think one definitely should go for micro model stuff, and once you wear this micro model stuff, definitely you're never going to touch even the cotton ones. They are so comfortable, they are so wonderful, they are so snuggy, and you will definitely love to keep wearing this only. So guys, there are a lot of videos on the way to this channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have still not subscribed to it. And we'll be doing Seedhi Baat, No Bakwas in other videos also. And do give your comments in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.